Shubor nakashlem jong unongsan Hima.
Ulampang Ïingdorbar Thauan Kajilla uba Metbah Ïingdorbar ulai thu baka high power committee hine kasngi kala yashang bania kren halor ka kaipot baka IT Guwahati kala IT sya ka sarkar halor ka jinglap jongki ya ka jingshangan jongani ka ying habakren bikinong thau khubor ulampang Ïingdorbar Thauan uba Metbah ulai thu baka IT Guwahati kalap baka penpau baka ni ka Ïingdorbar ka barang tei thamai kamdan ganu ka jingma bat ka long shangan Bat baru ki Jingktah ki jana mar ba kamdan ka jing trai lang hapreng ki ba odor ya kani ka yeng bat ki nong trai jong kani ka yeng bat kani ka wanra ya kini ki Jingktah na kalyang ulampang lai thuru ba ka sarkar kala khot ki tu ki ba odor ni design ha ka ktien phareng bat ru yu nong pentrai jong kani ka yeng bat na kalyang jong ki ni ki artri ki company ki lakubur bakin bei pisah Hima ki habaya day bat kani ka Jingktah bat habaya day ba ka jing odor ka ba thamai jong udum ka ken huan kala ong ba hapo lai tayo kin sa penbit penbyang bat ken sabatay siya ka HPC bat siya ki wei ki badan mentalang bantay ya kani ka yeng Ula ong ru basyan kila menjur ru banbu beriawan pet kenang bakum kini ki Jingktah ken om jashu. Ula ya thu ru baya ki jakla ki berangsa na kadau jong ka jinghap jong udum kin saben khu no Khyllem ka jingpha siu sya ka sarkar henrei ken bei pisah Hima ki. Shu ula ya thu Hadien ka IT Guwahati kala IT ka kaipot ba ka jinglap jong ki bakam dan kanu ka Jingktah ya ka yeng ka penlong ya ka HPC ban betha ban sedang tei biang ya kani ka Ïingdorbar kham kloi kat bala.
Today we had the HPC meeting in my office chamber in Melbourne, where we had a follow-up meeting with regards to the construction of the new assembly building, matter related to the collapse of the dome. The last meeting that we had was basically to present the report of the audit team, where the government has appointed the IIT Guwahati to do the audit as far as this safety is concerned for all the central wing, the left wing and the right wing. To inform you also that the report is very positive, which says that the building is safe, and they have also pointed out the reason of the collapse of the dome, where in short they have mentioned that it is because of the lack of coordination between the designer, the contractor and the PMC. As per the information is that the designer also has accepted, and they have also assured that because of the unavailability of the technical engineer who is supposed to be there at site to supervise or to coordinate for the designing part, they have assured that from now onwards they will do that. They have also agreed that the new dome design will be prepared by them without any cost, extra cost from the government. Now they have also agreed, as pointed out by the IIT Guwahati, to ensure that how they strengthen more for the structure which is already constructed there, like applying of epoxy, injecting of some chemicals to ensure that the construction, the thing becomes more stronger and stronger in those cracked areas which has been mentioned by the IIT team. Our concern is, which I'm sure, which we have heard, that the public at large also, they're concerned about the safety of the building. One, they have expressed where the dome collapsed, and we have heard from the different platforms, social media, print, electronic, whatever. And we are going in that direction to see that from my office, that we would like to see that the construction of the new assembly should continue, should be resumed.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.